Hello everybody, I am Destructious, and you are not Destructious. So, I am here to talk to you guys about this trend I have been noticing with the YouTube video comments over the years. And it starts with one of these number 8 thingies, and it ends with one of those arrow things, and all of you let us unique individuals know where this is going. So, skipping the punchline, I will get back to what I was talking about. So, you just add one equal sign and you get the Asians because they rock at the math. And then you add another equal sign. Then you get the white man's because well, that's normal. So then with the African American individual, you just keep adding these equal signs here. See, just keep adding. Oh yeah. Keep going. So you just keep adding them. Just keep going. Damn, boy. Just keep going. Alright. Alright, that should be good. Wait. Yeah, that's good. And, yeah. And, I think somebody can associate with this. Let me just play this video real quick for you guys.
Ow, I hit my penis there.
I'm sorry, I don't have any money, sir.
And, yeah, that's that. So, alright guys. Thanks for watching. And, have a Merry Christmas.